Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best miter saw stands available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the dual miter saw stand. This tough work support stand from DeWalt is a fantastic option for job site mobility thanks to its broad rubber wheels and straightforward folding design. The DeWalt DWX726 is appropriate for anyone who has to use a miter saw on the job site or in the workshop. It has been developed for a wide range of contractors, including framers, carpenters, and installers. The device is simple to assemble or minimize because to its 3-position pneumatically assisted lifting and lowering structure, making it ideal for while you're moving around with all your gear. You can see why this is our top pick when you consider its movability, 300-pound weight capacity, easily adjustable mounting rails, and support that can handle up to 8 feet of materials. At number 4 is the Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand. Although it may be a bit pricey, if your budget permits it, this Bosch Portable Miter Saw Stand is worth the money. No matter how big or little your projects are, Bosch benchtop tools are made to deliver the accuracy and performance you need. In light of this, the Bosch saw stand is among the best choices for large tasks that call for a little extra support. With its universal mounting mechanism, the integrated outfeed may be used with all of the main rival saws and can support up to 18 feet of material. You can use this stand anywhere because it has sturdy wheels, a telescoping leveling leg for added stability on uneven terrain, and a small, collapsible frame. Top 3 at our list is the WorkPro Miter Saw Stand. This is a full-featured workbench with numerous features that any craftsman will find extremely handy both in the workshop and on the job site. It is not just a stand with one purpose. This WorkPro can serve as a dolly for big loads up to 330 pounds in weight in addition to serving as a miter saw stand. For mechanics working underneath vehicles, it can also serve as a shop creeper truck. This function is made possible by the presence of 2 swivel casters for steering or direction, 2 huge anti-skid wheels for mobility, and folding telescopic legs. 4 metal toggle locks on the WorkPro make it very easy and quick to load the miter saw. Additionally, the stand has 2 rails that allow the user to move the saw back and forth along the table. Moving up at number 12 is the tough-built 10 gravity miter saw stand. Once the saw is installed on the stand, you can move it anywhere on the job site or outside of it by pushing, pulling, or rolling it together with the saw. It has a sturdy box tube steel frame, which ensures strength, stability, and the assurance that it will endure the test of time. You can support long materials while cutting with the TB-Up S6 dies rows to tension material support extension. The ToughBuilt TB S6 dies row is compatible with the majority of miter saw brands, including DeWalt, Bosch, and numerous other brands. The quick-release tool mount that the saw is equipped with makes mounting and dismounting it from the stand very simple. Overall, every skilled craftsman will find the ToughBuilt TB S6 dies row stand to be highly handy in his shop or on the job site. And at number 1 is the Evolution Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand. For contractors that require an extremely portable mount for their miter saws on the project, the Evolution 5.1 is the appropriate miter saw stand. It is portable and folds its legs inward, making it small and simple to move around. With fast-release mounting brackets, the miter saw may be mounted on top of the stand and removed just as quickly. As a result, construction site setup is quick and simple. With its height-adjustable support arms, rollers, and end stops, the Evolution 5.1 also makes it simple to support lengthy workpieces and execute repeat cuts. For simple travel and storage, the support arms slide into the stand. In terms of construction quality and weight capacity, the Evolution 5.1 is made of strong steel and can support up to 330 pounds of weight. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.